Good morning everyone, I'm Nia from KM News. Now I'll bring you the latest news for today. The news this time is the flash flood that hit Cianjur Regency on February 16, 2022. Flash floods hit several villages in Cianjur district, West Java province, one of which was Ciloto village. This flash flood occurred due to heavy rains around Ciloto. According to the head of Ciloto village, the flooding that occurred was suspected to be due to several factors, including inadequate drainage around Ciloto village, massive construction around the hills in Ciloto, and indiscriminate dumping of garbage. Flash floods that hit the Cianjur area made dozens of residents evacuate and caused quite severe damage. The overflow of the Ciloto River, Cianjur Regency, West Java, caused dozens of houses to be flooded and residents of the houses were forced to evacuate. However, there were no casualties in the disaster. Residents were already in a number of refugee camps when water as high as 1 to 1.5 meters flooded the village. Even the BPBD has sent officers to collect data and provide assistance needed by refugees. With this flood, hopefully the government will immediately deal with drainage problems in the Ciloto village area, so the flash flood like this don't happen again. That's all the news for today. I'm Nia. Thanks for watching and have a great day.